Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. My name is Justin. I represent Maryland's #1 RV dealership, Beckley's RVs. And today, we're going to be teaching you about what a Class A gas motorhome is. Alright, so what is a Class A gas motorhome? Well, they look like a bus. So they'll be anywhere from like 25 feet all the way up to 40 foot in overall length. Normally the 25 footers, they can have like no slide outs on them. And then when you get all the way up to the big 40 foot coaches, they'll traditionally have all the way up to like 4 slide outs on them. All right, so who's buying a Class A gas motorhome? Well, with anything, there's exceptions to every rule. I'm just going to give you kind of the general guidelines on who is purchasing them here today. So to start out, traditionally people that buy a Class A gas motorhome is someone that needs more space in comparison to other vehicles. So they have more living space on the inside. The second thing is they have more storage, not only on the interior, but also significantly more on the exterior of the coach. So if you're going to be in this for longer periods of time, this can be a lot more comfortable. And the other thing is the drivability aspect. So up front, they have a very large panoramic window. So they always say that the best way to be able to see the United States or to travel is behind the wheel of a Class A gas or diesel motorhome. That way you can really see everything. You can truly take in all the sights. All right, so what's on the inside of a Class A motorhome? Well, anything that you can find inside of your residence at home is what you're gonna be able to find on the inside of a motorhome. So you're gonna have multiple pieces of furniture, like a lounge chair, like what I'm sitting in. You'll have sofas. You'll have a table to be able to sit at. You'll have all of your main appliances. So you'll have air conditioning, you'll have heat, refrigerators, you've got water heaters, you've got a microwave, TVs, pretty much anything you can find on the inside of a house, you're going to be able to find inside of an RV. That's why so many people are moving towards this and actually full-timing these things for those reasons. So then what everybody always asks, well, how much does it cost? Well, they can start out selling, and again, these are just general ballparks. They'll sell for at minimum around 80 grand, and they can range all the way up to well over 200 grand for a gas motorhome. I'll do a separate video for diesel motorhomes. Diesels are going to be a lot more expensive in comparison to what we're looking at today. So how many people can you sleep on the inside of a Class A gas motorhome? Well, at minimum, you'd be able to sleep up to 4 people, and the maximum, you'd be able to sleep all the way up to 10 people. Of course, that's contingent on the way that the floor plan is laid out, how large the coach is, and whether or not it has an overhead cab drop-down bunk bed. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, comment down below with some feedback. If you'd like some additional information on this model or anything else that we carry, you can contact me using the information down below.